Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin says he made a mistake with Shiba Inu. Do you want to know what it is? Watch till the end to learn the complete story. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel Crypto Money, the channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. So before we look into the mistake the Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin made with Shiba Inu, let's look at the current market prices. Ranking 33rd in the market cap, Shiba Inu price when making this video on the 14th of June 2021 Monday is $0.0000688 with a 24-hour trading volume of $454,471,952. Thus, SHIB prices increased by 11.9% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of 500 trillion SHIB coins and a maximum supply of 1 quadrillion. If you're looking to buy or sell Shiba Inu, Binance is currently the most active exchange. Created in the August of 2020 by Ryoshi, Shiba Inu is a joke coin or meme coin launched as a rival to Dogecoin, a crypto coin. Now for the very interesting and unexpected and insanely crazy situation, as said by the Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin. Buterin caused headlines last month when he sold the tokens and gave the gains to charity in an $80 million rug pull last month. However, he hadn't publicly discussed the matter. Instead, he mentioned the whole story on the 4th of June 2021 in a Lex Fridman podcast. Buterin had been sent roughly half the supply of the Shiba Inu, Akita Inu, and Dogecoin Mars meme coins by their creators, possibly as a way for the tokens to gain credibility through association with the Canadian-Russian billionaire. Speaking on Lex Fridman's podcast, Buterin said the token's creator had dumped the tokens into a cold wallet he couldn't easily access. Usually they're accessible and put into hot wallets. And on top of that, to make the case worse, he was stuck in Singapore amid the coronavirus restrictions. If you think that was the only problem, that wasn't it. His private key to the wallet was split into two while he had one half with him. The other half was at his family's home back in Canada. This setup is made because by any chance he gets kidnapped or in any danger, he couldn't have been blackmailed because he himself didn't have the private key. Very smart, right? What he had done was he split the private key to the wallet into two pieces of paper at his family's home in Canada. I saw these dog tokens and I noticed more and more people expressing about them, and at some point I realized these things are worth billions of dollars, and there's a lot of really good things you can do with that, Buterin said. Buterin said he was determined to power through and sell the tokens, despite the trouble. He purchased a new laptop from Target and had his family from Canada show him back the 80-digit numbers. That, once combined, would allow him to access the cold wallet. He had to take the risk, and the Dogecoin owners wouldn't have thought of this. However, once he cracked open that cold wallet for security's sake, Buterin needed to empty it, and the wallet did contain not only Shiba Inu, but also included 325,000 Ether, worth about $1.2 billion. Buterin said he was bothered that the new multi-signature wallet had a bug in it, or that he'd make some mistake in the transfer that would cost him all his Ethereum. Finally, however, he had to take the risk. That piece was stressful. It was surely stressing out for a few days and triple-checking the novel wallet. I even did a bit of a record of the code myself, Buterin said. Does it sound like a cyberpunk novel to you? There are other people who are signatories to the new Gnosis wallets, Buterin said, declining to give further specifications. The whole means, Buterin said, involved all sorts of stuff that 10 years ago you'd expect to just be part of a cyberpunk science fiction novel, but now it's all real. Nevertheless, he did manage to sell about $1 million in tokens, funds he gave to charity. Buterin sent 13,292 ETH, which exactly is worth about $67 million at the time to GiveWell, a charity assessment program. 1,000 ETH worth of $5.1 million to the Methuselah Foundation, which studies life extension, and 500 ETH and billions of SHIB tokens to Crypto Relief, a foundation set up to help India a lot with its coronavirus crisis. The rest of the tokens he burned, or we can say destroyed. Fridman asked Buterin that if he had any regrets, and Buterin said there probably were things he could have done better. Still, he's been impressed by how much money they could raise in talking with the charities. Anyways, we can say that he did the right thing. Helping people is one of the greatest gifts a person can give. I presumably could have done better by talking with some of the traders and ensuring that they could do a better job of maximizing the value of all of them, but it was a very stressful time, and I did have to act quickly. Obviously, there are parallel universes in which I did better, but at the same time there are lots of parallel universes where because I delayed more and tried to allocate more time, I missed the chance. So, on that, it's like the luck of the draw, and I'm just happy that everything was able to turn out as great as it did. Buterin said for every dog token holder complaining he destroyed the value of their meme coins, 10 others are happy that their involvement in a fun pyramid gambling thing turned out to be helping the public good. Buterin also announced that he'd turned a roughly $4 million profit on Dogecoin, funds he also donated to charity. On this incident, Buterin had said that burning and donating coins was the only option he had. Concerning his decision to burn the digital currency, Buterin had mentioned that this was the only method through which he could avoid his transactions in Shiba Inu being interpreted as actions. Among other things, he asked coin creators to not send large amounts of tokens to individuals or charities without their consent. Looking at Buterin's choice to burn 90% of his Shiba Inu holdings, an investor or a trader requires to understand that burning a crypto token implies sending it to a public address that's unavailable, where it will then lay untouched. Until now, over 40% of Shiba Inu tokens have been burned, which calculates to around 410 trillion tokens, worth around $7 billion. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your research. The information presented in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative to take home. Do you think what he did was a mistake? Or do you think it had an excellent outcome? Subscribe for more content just like this one, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.